is ChatGPT capable of solving day 7 of Advent of Code 2024? That's the question that we will answer right now. So I will take the description of the day 7 problem of Advent of Code and ask ChatGPT, can you please solve the following problem? I will just do adjustment to what I usually say. I usually ask it to just solve the problem, but now what I will also do is to ask it to not only use the input data, but also validate that its solution works against the sample data first, because otherwise it can get stuck. So I will also tell it you can use sample input in the description to validate your solution, and then when okay, you can run it, get the result for real input which is attached. Okay, so I will attach my input file and then add the description. So let's see. Oh, okay, so it seems it completely skipped trying out the sample input anyway, but the result seems correct, I think. Yes, it is. So it solved the first part pretty easily. And now let's go on to the part 2. It's adding the new instruction, basically just adding up the two as concatenation of strings, then parsing it, and then calculating the calibration result. So that seems okay. It's taken a while, but hopefully it's gonna time out. So here it was basically generating all possible combinations of plus and multiply, and then evaluating the expression based on the operators as they are there. So very similar solution to mine, even though I was using recursion, but also still trying all the options. And the result here is 34036. Yes, it seems. Yeah, it's the same result. So ChatGPT was able quite easily to solve the day 7 problems of Advent of Code. So pretty impressive, pretty cool. We have, so far, I think it's definitely more successful than last year. And the question is if it's because of the new 4.0 model, or if it's just that the problems are more suitable for ChatGPT to solve. But pretty impressive still. So we'll see if it continues on to day 8.